Hi crypto kings and queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode, market is going down. Yesterday we had the market respecting, and during the day respecting the previous all-time high that I was talking about. Market did the breakout retest, and right now everyone's wondering, will the market go up, will the market go down? Well, I'm having, as always, different targets that I can see market actually coming to. Either the market will break this level that we are at right now, or come back down to 60,300, or we will just continue back down even further. Or this could actually be where the market is having its huge momentum to the upside again. But remember, guys, you have to understand that market needs to come back down for then continue to the upside. So don't panic. And remember, I am no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first. But please continue watching this video and I'll show you what I see on Bitcoin right now. And we still have this $3,500 in bonus on Bybit right now. This is the best leverage exchange for swing trading. You have the link in the description down below this video. And if you want to have the best margin exchange for day trading on PrimeXbt, you can receive up to 50% of bonus added to your deposit if you're using the promo code Bitcoinsensus 50. You're also having the link in the description down below. Okay, so we're starting off with the daily, and we can see that yesterday's candles did close below the previous all-time high. And this was what I was talking about in the last video, that if we're seeing the market closing below it, and I remember that there was this red candle that I wanted to see if the market is going to close below this line that we're having at 64,991. That is the previous all-time high. I could definitely see the market continue back down, and we did have the break retest on this bullish candle right here. Market continue back down, so it actually played out the way exactly I wanted it to be. And the target that I'm having for the market to come back down to is obviously 60,500. And why is that? Because that is the previous. We can also drag it up. It depends on where you want to have the box. You can also have it around 61,063. But I definitely see the market coming back down to this level before we are continuing to the upside. And looking at the 4-hour chart, we do have the lower low, lower high, lower low. Market can come up right now, create another lower high, and then the market continues back down. So if what we want to see is how the market's reacting to this support, we will also come back down to these previous high. And why is that? Because it is the previous highs that we did have from the market, and market did have huge momentum from this level right here. So for the market to be drawn back down to this level, I mean, that is usually what the market is doing. When the market spiked through a certain area where the liquidity is, the market get drawn back to it. So either we can come back down. I do believe we will come back further down if we're bouncing off of this level and we are not coming back to the support that I was first talking about. I definitely see the market continuing from this, but I do believe we will come back down a little bit more because we're just having a huge wick right now. So on the 1-hour chart, we can take Fibonacci from 64,027 to the lowest point that we're having right now at 63,088. So market can come up to and create a lower high around 63,666 for then coming back down to the support. And usually what happens around the support is that you're having the market giving you the fake out, market comes inside of the support again, market continues to the upside. So a lot of times this is where people actually get faked out. It's when the market is coming to this level right here and you're seeing a huge bearish candlestick breaking the level, and then people start to buy the market right here. But the next candle that you're having, and I would definitely look at the 4-hour, you'll see this happening. And after that, when the market pretends or give you the fake out, market closes inside of the support, and then market retests the support again, and it continues to the upside. So for the people who sold the market right here, get faked out, they get trapped, and sometimes the market can give you another fake out. More people will get into the sell because they think, okay, now is the time when the market actually gonna get down. So if they got caught in the first trade, they will put another trade on this new fake out. Market comes in, continuation to the upside. So that is why for me, I am very, very careful with the fake out. So I always look at how the candlestick is closing. Is it closing with a doji or reversal patterns against this support turning now into a resistance, or will the market actually break and come in, and then you see on the next leg that we're having right here, and after that leg the market is actually on its way up. So that is why I do believe we will come back down. And when you're coming to a level with this support, or where we can, the exact same thing can happen if we're coming back down to this first support that I was talking about. So the market is just doing a pullback right now because we've had so much volatility to the upside. We've been having a uptrend. So at one time, the market have to correct itself and come back down. That doesn't matter if it's cryptocurrencies, if it's Forex, if it's index, doesn't matter what chart you're looking at, the market has to come back down when the market has been going up for so long. So sometimes it doesn't matter how far the pullback is, how long it's going to take, the market has to come back down for then to create liquidity to continue to the upside. If you're coming back down to 61,000, market could definitely do the same thing. Market fake you out, can come in, and then you see the impulsive move happening, because what's happening right here on the chart on Bitcoin, this is a pullback that we're having. We are right now at a previous resistance, maybe turn it into a new support, or we're coming back down to a previous support, turning it into a new support, turning it into a new support, or we're taking the support and turning it into a new resistance. We just have to follow market as long as we know what targets we're having. The targets that we did have before was the previous all-time high on the weekly. Market did close and didn't have the power to break that level, because we did break it. We came back down, we came back up, retested, continuation to the downside. So what's happening right now on Bitcoin? I'm waiting for the market to come back down a little bit more. Remember that we're having the pullback, could happen right now. And then you see market coming back down one more time. So this is, guys, what I see on this Friday on Bitcoin. Please subscribe, please like this video, comment below if there's something that you're wondering. Otherwise, you'll have a good week, and I'm saying goodbye from Sweden from now. Have a good day. Toodles.